Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over some of Ralph Mcquarrie's work. These lightsabers are famously depicted in his drawings of Luke Starkiller and Darth Vader. Maybe they weren't called exactly that when they were first drawn, but these are the first lightsabers envisioned ever. So maybe they look like they're something out of Ultra Sabers, but they're not. They're pretty cool, they're very straightforward, and without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this is the pair of lightsabers known as Laser Duel by Shadowfoil Props. These sabers are really straightforward. I mean, honestly, without their history, I wouldn't even look twice at these because they're not my thing. I'm not into this design at all. And let's talk about that. Why are these on my bench? Why do these exist? They look like something out of Ultra Sabers catalog. So really, the only thing you need to know is that these are Ralph Mcquarrie designed lightsabers, or they are inspired by his design. Especially this emitter flare is very reminiscent of what was drawn. But essentially, the early developments of Star Wars, Ralph Mcquarrie was commissioned to do a bunch of panels, kind of giving an art direction to the way that this movie was going to look when they were shooting the first film. And the first depictions of the lightsaber were drawn with this really great flare, and they were colored blue. Vader was holding a blue saber, and he kind of mostly looks the same. There are definitely drastic differences, and then Luke, who has a very smuggler, thief kind of vibe going on, space pirate look. He's got this gold blade. So I would assume this is the Vader one, being a little bit beefier and bigger, and then Luke being the smaller one. The chassis, I'm not sure who designed these, but I did install these with Proffi V3s. Everything was sent to me in a box. I didn't have to look up anything. So, Carl, thank you. You're a very good customer. The chassis are fully removable. They just slide completely out. The hilt also, this is to be noted, is that the emitter also unscrews. So for whatever reason, if you need to, I know that the smaller hilt is a little bit tighter. So let's show that real quick. I don't need to put that back on right now. So open this up. And these do come with bleed plugs, but I don't have them in right now. This, you just got to push. It feels like something's stuck, but there's nothing stuck. It's just a snug fit. This bottom is a little flared, so it grips, but it's honestly pretty good for, well, everything. So the saber chassis are actually different sizes. These sabers, it's hard to tell really on camera, but this one's thinner and this one's thicker, so this will not go into this saber no matter how hard you try. And this one will feel very loose, like it doesn't belong. So it's easy to tell. And then the pommel sizes are also different as well, so that's also easy to tell. And they most likely wouldn't thread on correctly. So they're single button. Let's just go over the components real quick. We've got a stock NPXLv3, a Proffieboard V3, a single tactile switch, 18650 high amp kill switch, and a 28mm bass speaker from KR Sabers. This one's already on, but if you were to turn it on, you just flip the kill switch to the right, and then you line up your switches. So this guy and this guy, line those up, kind of squeeze it in there. Oop. See, that's the wrong one. And then this guy. The nice thing is that they're not going to get stuck because there's always a way to push out the chassis. So that's nice. So the sabers, like I said, very straightforward. Single action gets some unique functionality, obviously. Double tap for music. This is such a loud saber. I used the Star Killer sound fonts, the light and dark Star Killer sound fonts from Kyberphonic. They seemed appropriate, as I guess Luke was named Luke Star Killer, and I don't know. He had that font package has a light and a dark side. I figured it would work well for this. So yeah, when you're all done using these, obviously you want to turn off the power, which is very straightforward. You just pop this back out. Your kill switch is right there. Turn it off and put this back in, and you're good to display. So that was pretty painless, right? No problem. And then the blade plugs that come with the sabers. There is a silver one for this guy and a black one for the other, but this just goes right in like that. And then your blade retention screw is right here, and you can orient this obviously however you see fit. I don't know, I usually go like that. No, that's the wrong size. This is a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench socket. And there you go. Looks real nice. Whoop. So there you go. Let's wrap this video up here. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more cool installs like these guys here. If you are looking to get a saber installed, now is a very good time. I actually have a lot of work that is cleared up, and if you're looking to get quick turnaround, now is definitely the time to do it. So reach out if you have an install that you'd like done and you don't see it on my website. You can reach out to me at john@sabersforever.com, and I'd be happy to help answer any questions that you have. If you are looking for something standard, you know, KR Sabers related, or ready to ship section, or commission based stuff, all of that is available on my website at sabersforever.com. Feel free to take a look and peruse at your leisure. There are some nice ready-to-ship sabers on there I would definitely look into if I were you. So that basically does it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Maybe share with your friends. But until the next time, may the Force be with you.